And he came back that a high toxic and then mold infection. And I was like, what are you talking about? We're talking about my gut. I'm talking about my energy. And he goes like, you have mold. You have been exposed to mold somewhere. I'm not a mold doctor. I don't know even how to help you with this, but I can tell you that I can help you with your gut. But as long as you have mold, things will not be normal in your body. He asked me a few times, did I inspect my car? I thought that's really a joke because I honestly didn't think a car can have a mold. And then I took my car to a mechanic and mechanic said, yeah, we do this all the time. I'm like, oh my God.
How does that happen? Well, cars get damp, right? Sometimes there's humidity out. We open the windows, or it's raining. We open the windows, whatever, just to, get a cross breeze going. We get some moisture into the car. Our shoes, if it's raining outside, right? We pick up water off our shoes and bring it into our car. It provides that damp environment. If you have mold in your house, you can easily transport it into your car. And if the conditions are right, mold will start to grow in your car. So it's very interesting that the mechanic you brought it to happened to know about that already. That's really cool. You must have literally found just by luck the right people every step of the way, which is awesome.